Hi, so in this video we are looking at how to create a demonic voice, and I've got this nice sample of male chuckling from a YouTube library. There's a lot of good stuff you can find there. So if you haven't tried it yet, I urge you to try it. So the first thing I'll do is just amplify it because it seems to be a bit too quiet. And now we can listen to this. Right, so it does sound as a bit of a weird laughter, I guess, but nothing too demonic so far, so we're gonna work on that. Firstly, we'll create a duplicate of it. So now we have two tracks, but we're gonna select just the first one now, and we're gonna go to Effect and change pitch. And this step, it varies for everyone. So I'll put -14 semitones. If you have extremely deep voice, you may need less than that. So maybe -10 or something, something around that. But if you have a very high voice, on the other hand, then you may need to reduce the semitones by even more. So we're gonna click OK, and that's it for the first track. That's it. Then we're gonna select the second track, and again we're gonna change the pitch. So what I like to do, I like to change it by half as much as the first track. So if it was -14, now it is going to be -7 here. And again, we'll select the second track only, and we're gonna go to the reverb, and we're gonna add some of that reverb. Actually, we can listen to how it sounds already. I'm pretty sure it's already quite demonic. Yeah, so it's quite good, but I think we can get better with the reverb. So let's get to it. So these are almost all of these settings are the default settings. You can just copy these. And I believe I've only changed the reverberance and the room size. So again, you can play around with this and find what works best for you. We all have different goals in our mind, so it's okay. And yeah, so the reverb is added. Let's play it back. So that's basically it. That's how you create a demonic voice using Audacity.